Are your teams working hard but not getting anywhere? Scattered spreadsheets, delayed decisions, missing data. Sound familiar? Managing your business across too many disconnected tools leads to stress, mistakes, and missed opportunities. What if you could bring everything together into one smart system? Introducing Odoo Vizion, your all-in-one ERP solution. Automate tasks, sync departments, track performance in real time. Sales and CRM, accounting and HR, inventory, POS, and more. All fully integrated, all on one platform. With Odoo Vizion, you don't just work harder, you work smarter, make faster decisions, serve customers better. Scale with confidence. Ready to transform your business? Visit www.odoovizion.com and start your smart journey today. Subscribe for tips, tutorials, and tools that move your business forward.